Hey y'all, it's Mama. I'm gonna make me some breakfast. I got up hungry this morning. I hadn't been eating real good since I've been sick, so I think my appetite's coming back. So I'm gonna make me some biscuits. I'm gonna add 2 cups of self-rising flour. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of shortening melted. Can't keep up with my stuff today. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to start off with a cup of milk, and I'm going to add just a little at a time until I get it to where I need it. I'll add about half of it. And that will give us a good mix. Don't need more. I'll just use it all. Looks like it's going to be perfect. I'll get this mixed up good and I'll be right back. Now I'll put some flour on my countertop. Sometimes I use my countertop, sometimes I don't. I really don't like to because I don't want to get it scratched up. And so, but I just didn't take the time this morning. I'm going to turn my dough out. And I'm going to roll it until the stickiness gets off. Now I'll get my skillet out of the oven and cut them out. Now I got them cut out. I used this little glass. It's the perfect size. I'm using my iron skillet again today. I'm going to bake these at 375 until golden brown. I'll eat some for breakfast and then I'll freeze the others. I have found that if I bake them and then freeze them, they are much better than just making them and freezing them and baking them later. But that's my preference, not for everybody. Now I'll get these in the skillet and I'll be right back. Now I'm going to brush the tops with butter and then they'll go in the oven. And now I'm cooking about a 1/2 pound of Jimmy Dean sausage. My sister left it here when she was staying with me, and so I'm going to cook it up and use it. I call these from the heart biscuits. Some things are easy to make, but takes patience. So, from the heart biscuits. I'll get this cooked up and I'll be back. Now I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese. You can use cheddar cheese or American. I've used both, and they're both good, but you know, you just use your favorite cheese. We'll let this melt up together and I'll be back. And now everything is finished. I'm going to get me out a biscuit. Everything turned out good. I'm going to slice my biscuit open. And I'm going to put a heaping spoon of the sausage and cheese over that. And there you go. From the Heart Biscuits. Y'all have a good day and thanks for watching.